Okay, today we're going to be shooting my my dark geo. I actually have a CSL barrel backs on this, so this is the SL3 6.85, as you can see. Just a regular tip on that, 14-inch rotor, and this is a Ninja low pressure. And I think I know it's kind of hard to see, I've got a little under 2,000 PSI crossfire. So we're just gonna shoot in that tire down here. Actually, played paintball today, so I'm a little tired. Just get a couple of these shots in. I'm shooting paint that I got from Dick's, and the guy was like, "This is really good paint," and it said recreational woods ball. He said it's much better than their tournament grade paint. So. I'm gonna say that I've never shot a barrel more accurate than the SL3 backs. I think they did a really good job making them. I don't know what they did. Must have put some gypsy tears in the things or something, but they shoot really well. So I hope you can hear the gun pretty well. It doesn't have really any kick to it. I'm sitting down here, but I am sitting down in a seated position. But all right, that's all of them. I hope you enjoyed it. And Geo's rock, by the way.